Buckle up, investors. The financial world, stock world, crypto world got a hit. Worse than expected. Wall Street is shaking now. The job reports was worse than expected. Da-da-da! What does that mean? Okay, historically, we don't know. I'm not a financial advisor, but the jobs report was bad and then worse and then worse. Do you know what that means? I mean, we don't know, but if you go back historically, 2008 and the WW crash and all the crashes, I think you guys will notice that the jobs report gets bad and then worse and then worse, and then we know what happens after that. That doesn't mean it's going to happen this time. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that's why people are freaking out. Investors are selling. Banks are freaking out. Now the Fed is under pressure to act to cut the interest rate. I mean, before this happened, this report, they thought they'll cut the interest rate maybe 25 points. After what happened now, the percentage changed very unexpectedly, more than what we thought. Now they think they're going to cut the interest rate between 25 and 50 points, 70% the chances. And some percent, 30%, think that will cut it even more than 50 points. Wow. And what makes it worse than that is some AI stocks, investors and banks also thinking like, is this the end of the AI bubble? I mean, many AI stocks like Nvidia and all the AI stocks we know, Microsoft, went up a little bit too much. And some investors think it might be the end of the bubble. I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm just saying that's what investors are thinking. So all what I'm doing is just holding some cash. A good percentage of my investment, between 30 and 40%, is cash now, just in case. And if all of that was not enough, what makes it worse is China cut the interest rate twice about 2 weeks ago. That never happened before. If they didn't feel something very dangerous is happening for the economy, they wouldn't do that. So that makes it even worse. So guys, buckle up, put cash, and let's see what happens the next 2-3 weeks. We'll wait for the next report, jobs reports, inflation report. That might change, but for now, just be careful.